Hello everyone, I'm your commentator. Today, I'm going to introduce you the Soontec Technology Corporation. Soontec is a high-quality professional manufacturer of connectors, rj45 connectors and cable assembly. It supplies connectors and cable components for domestic and foreign-related and high-tech industries. We have excellent service team, highly reliable quality, and professional and fast service are the key points for us to affirm for our customers, especially since the current IT market needs to be quick and sensitive. We provide rj45 connectors, USB 3.0 and USB 3.1 Type-C connectors, etc. Our products are widely used in electromechanical systems such as computer information, communication, electric power, automatic control, machinery, military equipment, and transportation equipment, effectively supporting and improving the product level and quality of various industries or specialized units and working together with our customers to create worldwide competitiveness. Soontec is a professional connector manufacturer. We provide different rj45 adapters. rj45 adapter is a device used to connect network cables with rj45 connectors to other types of connectors or ports. All rj45 adapters connectors are modules. You can choose the appropriate one according to your needs. The D-sub VGA is a type of connector that is commonly used to connect computers and laptops to displays such as monitors and projectors. We offer comprehensive D-sub VGA 15-pin connectors. DH Series Features, slim and low-profile design. Conforms to the specifications of the EIA-364 and -232 Standard. DC Power Jack Connectors is a professional connector manufacturer. WPJ Series Features, durable construction to withstand frequent use and ensure a secure connection. The stable quality, accurate delivery, and reasonable price are also the advantages of our business. For more product, please visit our stores. Soontec takes integrity, responsibility, quality, and service as its concepts to create customers' best interests and reputation. It is your first choice for high-quality connectors and connecting wires in the global communication and electronic industries. Thank you for watching our video.